Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace battery on BMW E46. Okay, if you have an E46, you know, like the 98 to 2006 model, that will be the video for you guys. So we went to the parts store, opened the catalog, and this is the battery that we need. 800 cold cranking amps. This is for the American standards. Okay, a little bit more information right here. We got some battery corrosion spray right here. Binocle, this is really good stuff. And we're going to test the old battery. Okay, right here with the top down RT battery. This device is really good, guys. It can test your charging system, okay, and it also tests not just the charging system, alternator, battery, okay. It performs different tests as well, okay. So you know if your battery is done and needs to be replaced, if your alternator is good, so somebody doesn't try to cheat you at the mechanic shop. Okay, first impression is right now we have 11.8 volts, so it's a little bit low, but not too bad because it's pretty cold right now, so that's kind of normal. Okay, so what we're going to do, we'll select English here, out of vehicle test. Okay, before charge. This is a regular flooded battery. We're using the cold cranking amps. If you're somewhere else in the world, you can switch the units. And 800, I input that already. 800 like the new battery. Okay, and let's test this battery to see if it's done all the way now. Okay, working on it. Okay, check it out. We have only 145 amps. Okay, it says charge and then retest. Okay guys, so we recharged the battery. Okay, like the device said, and okay, we're going to test it again after charge. The thing about it is, like, you didn't want to take a charge for too long, it turned off on itself. Okay, so we're going to test it again, okay, and see what it's going to say now, and see if we need to replace it. Okay, yep, right here the same thing. It didn't take more charge, it just a done battery. It says replace this time. So stay with us and we'll go ahead and show you how to get to it, how to remove that cover, how to replace the battery, and we'll have a video for programming this one as well, and probably close to 200 videos, guys, on that BMW. That will make sure you subscribe. Many more videos to come. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and open the trunk now. Okay, you have that trunk liner that you need to just pull out of the way now. Okay, and we can get to the battery right here. You can see that's the cover. Okay, we have two clips now. Okay, one there, one here, that we'll need to remove, and we're using right here the panel removal tools for the clips and stuff. Really convenient. Okay, so you just pull the middle part out. It's really easy with those tools. We have the links for all the tools and parts we use in the videos, guys, in the description of the video. Okay, so you know where to find them if you're in a hurry. Okay, and then this one, you grab it and you pull it this way. Okay, just like that. Now it's very important, guys, how you disconnect the battery as well. Make sure the ignition switch is off. Do not have the key in the car. We need to disconnect the negative first. Okay, with 10mm socket we'll disconnect the negative cable first. And the other thing, okay, right here you have to be careful because this is part of the airbag system and you don't want to damage it. So you have to be very careful. Okay, now we're going to remove, okay, the positive cable and put it on the side, but just be careful with it. We have a video, guys, how to program it later, because you need to program it for the charging system. Okay, again with the same 10mm we're going to remove that bracket here. Okay, and you just pull this one out. Okay, now we can grab it. Okay, make sure that cable is out of the way, and you can pull it out, guys. Okay, it's very heavy, so be careful. Always use gloves. Okay, because if you have acid, that acid is going to get on your finger and it can burn you and cause skin irritation as well. Okay guys, and I'm going to test the new battery right here, just to show you the difference between the two. Remember, the old one was at 145. Okay, this one guys is 880 amps, so you can see how good it is compared to the old one. So let's go ahead now, and we're going to place it in the vehicle. Okay, so remember, then the positive needs to be on the front side. Okay, right here. Okay, and some batteries will need to have a vent installed, some are closed, so it really depends on the type. If you have one with the vent, you have to install the hose and feed it down. There is a place it goes through. Okay, this is the bracket now. Okay, so we'll need to move a little bit, okay, this way. Okay, so we can get the bracket in, but okay, we need to make sure that everything's good there, so it can go all the way in. Okay, like that. Okay, let's see if the bracket will fit now. Okay, right on the spot. Okay, so we need to just go ahead. Okay, get it tight now with that 10mm socket. Okay, make sure that it's installed good, because that bracket is very important. Okay, now we need to connect the positive cable first, but what we are going to do, we'll go ahead guys, and we will install the protective, okay, terminal parts right here. The one that comes with the spray, not very expensive at all, but I'll definitely recommend it, especially if you live in a more humid climate, winter temperature as well. Okay, so we're going to place them like that. Now we're going to connect the positive first. Okay, you need to make sure it's all the way in. Okay, and we need to go ahead and okay, get this one tight now. And after that, we're going to connect the negative. So remember, you remove the negative first and you install the positive first in reverse order. Okay, and there is a reason for that. We have a video on our channel, I think it was posted on auto repair guys. Why? We explain it there. Okay, now we're going to get the spray guys, and we're going to spray the terminals so they do not corrode. Okay, it's one spray is enough for many battery replacements, to be honest with you. Okay, so let's go ahead and spray it quick. Okay, like that. Okay, and a little bit on this side now. Okay, perfect. Next we need to install our cover there. Okay, all we have to do now, install the clips. Okay, push them in. Okay, we're going to install our trunk liner there. And next guys, okay, we'll see if the vehicle will start. And also guys, we'll have a video how to program it. It's very important to program the computer that you install a new battery, that way it knows it's a new battery and it doesn't overcharge it, so which means that the battery will last longer and the charging system will not have some extra stress on it. Okay, it fired up, we have warning lights, engine light as well. We'll take care of those, we'll put it on the scanner, so thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.